Using an ultrasonic motion sensor, which sends out pulses of ultrasound which reflect off this card attached to the cart and then go back to the detector, and then allow the computer to calculate from that time the distance between the sensor and the cart, and then automatically plot it onto the computer screen, are a great way of teaching distance time graphs. I like to draw a graph on the board and then get students to move the cart to create it themselves. Let's look at 3 examples. So here's the first one, which accelerates, travels at constant speed, and then stops. If we look at the completed graph and it slowly, you can see it gradually accelerating, going at constant speed, and then stopped. In this next example, it goes out slowly, stops, and returns quickly. And again, you can see that clearly on the graph, going out slowly at roughly constant speed, stopping, and then returning at a higher speed. In this last example, it goes out quickly but gradually slows down. Again, let's watch it slow down with the completed graph, and you can see the graph is steep to begin with, but the gradient gradually decreases as it slows down. I hope that this is an activity which you can use in your teaching.